Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Flappy Bird on mobile. To begin, simply tap anywhere on your mobile device's screen. Each tap makes your little bird flap its wings, causing it to ascend slightly. When you release your finger, the bird will naturally start to fall due to gravity. The key is to find a consistent rhythm of tapping to keep your bird flying and navigate the challenging environment. The main challenge in Flappy Bird is navigating through an endless series of green pipes. You must guide your bird precisely through the narrow gaps between these pipes. If your bird touches any part of a pipe, or if it hits the ground, your game will immediately end. Remember, the vertical space between the pipes is always the same, so focus on horizontal positioning. Your score in Flappy Bird increases by 1 point for every single pair of pipes you successfully fly through. To maximize your score, try to use small, gentle taps instead of big, forceful ones. This gives you much finer control over your bird's movement. Aim to keep your bird at a relatively consistent height, which helps you better anticipate and react to the approaching pipe gaps. Mastering Flappy Bird truly comes down to consistent practice. The more you play, the better your muscle memory and timing will become. It's crucial to remain calm and avoid panicking, especially when pipes seem to come at you rapidly. Instead of looking too far ahead, concentrate on guiding your bird through the immediate next pipe opening. With patience, your high score will surely improve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.